it's Carla Clayton, the Wellness Lady, and I love to help busy professionals save time, save money, and get healthier one small change at a time. Today, I'm going to be unboxing my monthly wellness subscription box from Shaklee. So Shaklee is my brand partner. I absolutely love their products. I've used them for almost 28 years. I'm about to celebrate a 28-year anniversary. Can you believe that? I mean, can you imagine using the same brand that long? Think about which products you are so in love with. Well, I fell in love with Shaklee, and saves me money. That's what I love. Helps me be healthier, helps me to feel amazing and to look younger. I get compliments all the time. So let's talk about some of the things in my box this month. Laundry. What do I love about our laundry? First of all, it comes in a liquid. It comes fragrance free or with a light fragrance. I like a little light fragrance in mine. It also comes in a powder, but I like the liquid. And what I love about this is you don't have to buy an extra like stain remover or shout or anything like that, because if you get a stain on something, just put this on full strength, let it soak, let it sit, just throw it back in the laundry basket, wash it, comes out. Almost all stains come out with this and our other product, Nature Bright, which I already have. Okay, so that's my cleaning product that I ordered this month. The way I like to do my box and my shipment every month is I like to think of it as my grocery list, my shopping list that I put on the refrigerator, right? So as I run out of things, I add that to my shipment that's gonna come out the next month. And what I love about our shipment program, our subscription program, is you change it every month. And one of the things I like to do for my customers is I like to have a monthly appointment, a standing appointment, where we go through their shopping list and make sure that they're getting the right products that they need for that month. So if you need some help with that, just let me know if you're one of my customers. Okay, core nutrition, super, super duper important. So I love these vitamin strips. They come in a daily strip. Well, this is a pack of 6, all right? You don't take all those in one day. And what you do is you just take off your strip, and it's like a market in your pocket, because that little strip, you can throw it in your purse, throw it in your pocket, and you have all your core nutrition that you need for the day. I love this one. Now we have different, listen, I work with people, all different budgets, okay? If you just wanna spend about $12 a month on a multivitamin, I got you covered. If you wanna get the Cadillac program like I recommend, which is what I use, the Life Strip, then you're gonna get a whole lot more nutrients, but it's gonna cost a little more. And then we have a middle of the road program too. So look at this, check it out. What is so cool about the Shaklee products is they have all these patents. And this is a big, there's a whole bunch of patents just on the delivery systems to make sure that the products are bioavailable, that they break down, they get to your body in the right place at the right time. I mean, the most expensive vitamin you can take is one that doesn't even break down, that winds up in the sewer system, right? So let me tell you something, worth it to have these products that actually work. So I was gonna tell you, let me give you one example. Okay, one example of how anal that Shaklee is about you getting these nutrients in the right place. So here's a very important nutrient. One of the B vitamins, folic acid. Very, very important, especially for preventing neural defect, birth defects. So very important. But the key is it actually has to be absorbed early in the digestive tract, like in the stomach. And so what Shaklee does is they came up with this patented idea of spray coating the multivitamin with the folic acid. So it's the first thing to break down, so it's actually available. I mean, that's brilliant, because hey, listen, if that folic acid is tucked way deep in that vitamin that doesn't break down until it gets in your small intestine or your large intestine, it isn't even getting used. No, so that's why it's important. So this right here, lots of great nutrients. It's got in the vitamin strip, you got that multivitamin I was talking about, you got a B and C complex, as well as fish oil, and my favorite, Vivix, which is anti-aging. Let me just read to you what it says right here, okay? On the box, it says that Vivix, it is backed by 6 patents, and it contains a powerful blend of diverse polyphenols with key ingredients shown in laboratory studies to protect and repair, listen to this, DNA and combat free radicals. Let me see if I can say this right. Cellular repair on the DNA level. That is amazing. And that's why I take it. Healthy aging. Okay, guys, you know this if you watch my videos. I love these meal in a bars for saving time, saving money. So for about $3 a meal, I've got a meal that's convenient, that's easy. I don't like to stop in the middle of my day and have to make lunch. I get going doing what I'm doing and working. I don't want to stop. Look at this. It's like a candy bar, but it's loaded with, listen, 18 grams of protein, 7 grams of fiber. Think about that. And this is my favorite flavor. I mean, it comes in peanut butter and chocolate chip. It comes in blueberry almond, but this is the only one I order ever since it came out. It is white chocolate cinnamon. It tastes like a cinnamon bun to me, and I just can't think of a better way to have my lunch. Amazing. What else is in my box? Optiflora DI. The DI stands for digestion and immunity. This is a probiotic that delivers, get this guys, 10 billion colony-forming probiotics. 80% of our immune system's in our gut. These help give us a healthy gut. Get these. They help so many things. You ever have spinach and kale and things like that go bad in the refrigerator? Yeah, me too. I know. I'm embarrassed to say it. I love to have this on hand. These are the Organic Greens Booster. One little tiny scoop of this dehydrated product of, there's nothing but 3 ingredients, kale, broccoli, and spinach. You can put this in a smoothie. You can put it in baked goods. You can add it to your spaghetti sauce, your meatloaf. Sprinkle it on a salad. Great way to get an extra serving of vegetables into our diet. I mean, that's really where we as Americans are failing in providing our bodies what they need, is the plants. It's that nutrition that comes from plants. And so that leads me to this one. And I have to tell you, I have a confession to make. This is a big old bottle of this. This is Alfalfa. It's a super food loaded with vitamins, minerals, and chlorophyll. And I absolutely depend on this because it helps me to manage my seasonal allergies that in the past used to always lead to chronic sinus infections. Once I started changing my nutrition, started adding those core nutrients, doing my protein shakes and adding alfalfa, I've not required any medications to manage my allergies anymore, but let me tell you something. I ran out of this. I ran out of this for 2 weeks. I don't know why. I don't know if it was back order or if I just made a mistake and didn't order it, but I suffered. And I will not let that happen again. I just ordered a huge bottle. There's 700 tablets in there, and I've got another one on order. Okay, 2 more things. I wasn't using this recently, so I put this back in my order. It's called PM Recovery Complex. And it is basically, it's designed to use after you work out to help your body to go into recovery after you've, used your muscles and all that good stuff. But it's also a really good sleep aid because it helps your body create its own natural melatonin. It's made with tart cherry extract. It's incredible. So I thought I would get some of this and try to get my sleep a little bit better. Okay, next thing is, and I brought some scissors so we can do a true unboxing right here. What's in this box? Surprise, surprise, y'all. You ready? So one of the things I love about Shaklee is that they have a lot of food products like our protein shakes. We have the protein shakes, but we have the after workout shakes, but we also have the meal replacement shakes. We have the meal bars, we have the snack bars. But something I'm not sure a lot of people know about is we have chips, healthy chips. Who knew it? healthy chips. This right here is the barbecue flavor. Let me tell you what it tells on the bag. Seriously savory and crunchy indulgence. It's a 100-calorie bag, so it's controlled portions. And now, have you ever had a chip that had 6 grams of protein? That's hunger-fighting protein. Helps balance that blood sugar. So I ordered a box of these as well. Oh my gosh, I found something over here I threw out of the box and that I definitely want to share with you. And I also ordered a box of the sea salt crisps. So I have those. So I have food, I have cleaning products, I have supplements, and I almost forgot the most important, newly formulated Age Defense Mineral Moisturizer SPF of 30. So this is now coral reef safe. And it also goes on much more smoothly than our previous formula. I love the old formula, but this is even better. That's the thing Shaklee does. They always make things better. So skincare as well. Well, I want to share with you just one more thing, but I want you to come in close. Come in, because this is serious stuff here. What I want to share with you is that in today's times, we're starting to become more accustomed to ordering our products online, right? Would you agree? I mean, I have an Instacart now. I've been using my Amazon, my Shaklee orders. I love the convenience of getting everything just shipped right to my house. Would you agree? If you're enjoying that, what if you can combine that with saving more money, saving time? And so I want to encourage you, if you like the idea of having healthy products in your home, then consider setting up with Shaklee an automatic shipment program. Now I already know what you're thinking. No, I don't want a shipment. I don't want stuff coming to me all the time. I don't want the same stuff. I don't want it backing up. No. We're not talking about that. Stay with me. The Shaklee subscription program is totally in your control. Totally in your control. And the way I like to talk about it is, it's like that shopping list that you put on the refrigerator, right? So in my account, what I do is all throughout the month, I run out of laundry detergent. I go in there and you can do it from your phone. It's so easy. I go in there and I put laundry detergent. If I'm going to run out of dishwasher detergent this month, I go in there and I put it for my order next month. And you go in and you just put the things that you need each month. And here's the beautiful thing. If you put in a qualifying order each month, you begin to earn loyalty rewards that can add up to where you're earning 15% back in loyalty rewards. So on this order right here, I got $100 of free products because of the loyalty rewards in my account. And I'm already saving 15% as a Shaklee member. And then as a distributor, I get even more rewards. And so I'm saving even more money. So as a member, which is just a one-time membership fee of $20 with no minimum orders, no monthly auto ships required, no selling. I mean, it's just really no catches. You save 15% right off the top. And you can get in the loyalty program, no additional charge. You just place your monthly orders. That's something I'll help you with if you want to learn more about. But my customers are saving 30% this way. And then if you want to consider shopping your own store, setting up your own Shaklee store and sharing it with some friends, you can save and earn even more. So that's what I wanted to share with you. I think it's very, very important in today's time, with the economy, everybody's, pulling back and saying, hey, where can I save money? Because we just don't know. I mean, I'm very optimistic and hopeful that we're going to have a very fast recovery, but nonetheless, it's always good to save money. There's never a bad time to save money in my book. Hey, listen, if you have enjoyed this video, I encourage you to like my channel, subscribe to my channel, hit the heart buttons, share it with your friends, And if you are not a Shaklee customer, I encourage you to reach out to someone you know that sells Shaklee or contact me and let us save you some money and help you get a whole lot healthier. I just want to end with this one thing. Last night, we did an interview with one of the customers on my team who later became a distributor because she had such great results. She started over 4.5 years ago with wanting to lose weight. And she got on our Shaklee 180 program and she started making small changes. Now this, I want to just tell you this. This is what she said. She dieted all her life, lost weight, gained weight, lost weight, gained weight. And that's what most people do. I want to share with you that what I coach people as a health coach and what we recommend as Shaklee distributors is not a diet, okay? It is a lifestyle change program, and we do it with small, little, sustainable changes, things you can do that you can manage. We don't say, okay, on Monday, quit all your bad habits and do all this good stuff, because it doesn't work. Anyway, Stacy jumped on. She followed the recommendations. She made small changes over time. And I want to tell you, this is what she shared last night. She's 4.5 years. She has lost 96 pounds. And she is in her 60s, and she's on no medications at all. And she does hikes and walks, and she's very active, and she is just living a dream life. And when she started 4.5 years ago, that was not the case. She was not in good health, and she was seeing all the people around her start to deteriorate, with aging, and she's now aging in reverse. So please stop by my website, wellnesslady.com. Take in all that free content. If you want to have a discovery call, just talk with me and let's just see what kind of things we can do, what recommendations, what one small change. One small change can make a big difference over a long period of time. I'm talking a multivitamin, $12 a month. It's not that expensive to invest in your health. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.